Hi! In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this device. First of all, you need to access your keyboard. Now, if microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear one next to three dots. Then click on voice typing and click on the switcher next to use voice typing to enable it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard. Now, to start typing, click on microphone icon, and when you finished, tap on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!